Most commercial real estate teams are still playing phone tag, trying to manually triage, inbound loop nets and crazy inquiries. This is a raw backend blueprint of an institutional grade keeper we engineered for M&D's commercial real estate group. You see, what you're looking at right on here on the screen is an AI agent that qualifies corporate tenants on triple N lease structures, square footage, and capital readiness under 60 seconds on autopilot. You see, in commercial real estate, multi-million dollars deals are lost simply because of a principal broker is stuck in a meeting while a hot, inquiry seats code. Here is how our automated system, Atlas, intercepts a new prospect on WhatsApp, validate their exact operational parameters, and drop them directly into the M&D commercial calendar without a human ever being in contact with the keyboard. Okay, so let's start. So what you're looking at right here is our full AI system, the dashboard where you track every metrics. But right now we want to connect, we want to go to WhatsApp immediately. Okay, so you can just come down here on my WhatsApp. I want to actually, show you how this AI agent is actually contacting leads. Okay, now you can take a look at it. Okay, you can take a look at the system right away. You can take a look at Atlas. This is the agent. Right now, what I'm about to go is I want to go chat this AI agent up on WhatsApp. So I'm going to copy the number. Okay, copy the number. We want to actually copy it right away. Okay, so I'm on WhatsApp. You can take a look at my WhatsApp right away. So I'm going to search for the number. And as you can look at this agent, we have had so many conversations with the agent. So this is just our agent just showing a demo. Okay. So right now, what I'm going to do is either I give it an instruction, I give it a prompt, or I make an inquiry. Okay. One good thing about our AI agent is that you can actually use the voice message to communicate with it, and it will interact very well with you. Okay. So I just want you to take a look at the number. Okay. You're looking at the number here, the same number that is on the system. I'm not going to hide anything for you. So let's give it a chat right away. So okay, let's start with it. I'm just going to paste it, chat I have. So hello, we are inquiring about the logistical distribution asset listed by your group in DFW market. We need a data on availability. Okay, I'm going to send it straight ahead, and let's watch how this AI agent communicates. So we're just going to wait for a response. Yeah, so this AI agent has read it. So let's see what is next. Okay, we're just going to wait to see what is going to happen next. So it's good. You can see, so thank you for your inquiry to, accurately assess availability and ensure compliance with M&D CRO group protocol. Please specify your transaction strategy. Is this a commercial, investment purchase or a triple net? So I'm going to go with a commercial. Okay, so I'm going to use a voice note. Okay, yeah. Bro, that was yeah, it's gonna be a commercial, okay? We want a commercial. So it didn't get me clear on the voice note. So right now I'm still gonna use a chat. So let's just use a chat, okay? So I'm gonna say, yeah. So we sent it and let's see it. You can look at the AI agent, responding, typing. So it's responding. Okay, you can take a look at it here. Good. You say understood. For your commercial investment purchase, please provide the exact net, rentable area, NRA, square footage required, the necessary ceiling clearance, and the preferred loading infrastructure, dock high versus grade level doors, additional specific and any local zoning, and constraints relevant to your operational architecture. So let's reply. Okay, I'm going to drop every necessary, inquiries that I've understood. Our tier DFW industrial, infrastructure typically features 28 to 30, two footage clear height with comprehensive dock height configurations. Please specify the local zoning and precisely. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Yeah, I think there was a mistake in my chat, so I'm just going to, yeah, I'm going to, highlight this part and we're going to edit it. Although you can give it any prompt. So I'm just acting as if I'm the lead making an inquiry, okay, to this agent. So right now, an AI agent is going to read this and actually give us back in contact, okay? Boom. So you can see it. You can see the reply. Thank you to proceed. Confirm your required of clear height range and specify any particular zoning destination, required, such as light industrial, N, to one or heavy L22 for precise asset identification. You're looking at it right away, okay? So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, try to specify it, okay? You're looking at this agent. Okay, so we are going to reply it, okay, and we're going to give it zoning and everything. So we require a minimum clear height of 28 feet to accommodate our high bay rank systems for zoning. We strictly need light industrial L to 1 because we handle light assembly and distribution, not heavy manufacturing. Our logistics team need to verify if it's the Fifth Avenue facility that will meet this. Okay, so I'm going to send it to this AI agent, and we want this AI agent to read it and actually give us back. So you can look at this. So you will see how this. So thank you for specifying it. To complete the qualification, please benchmark your total, acquisition capitalization and confirm your corporate entity profile, financials, or letter of intent (LOI) frame are prepared for immediate executions. You can look at how this AI agent is communicating back with your lead in less than how many minutes, in less than 0 seconds. So it's actually making the window very, very easy. Most real estate agent, most commercial real estate agent miss leads due to, you know, the 9 minute window being open, the 10 minute window being open, the 3 minute window being open. But right now, you can actually make that lead so hot that you just come in to actually, qualify this lead. That's what is possible. So right now, I'm going to give it a reply that will actually blow your mind. Okay. So let's try to reply this agent immediately. So I'm going to try replying this agent. And mind you, why we can't actually use the voice chat is because of my speaker. Okay, my external speaker is not connected to this WhatsApp for now. So that is why we are using the text chat base. Yeah, so that's it. So our total, acquisition capitalization is budgeted up to $8.5 million, fully backed by equity partners. Our corporate entity profile, updated balance sheets, and standard, letter of intent framework are signed and ready for immediate execution upon asset verification. Now you're looking at this. Now, this is just to imagine that I'm the lead, inquiring for this, and we're going to give this AI agent to actually read and actually give us a reply. So you can see that every minute and every second is always a reply. So I just want to show you how this AI agent works, and this is the kind of system that has closed about much six-figure fortune for the group that we're selling these systems to. Okay, we're not just selling them systems, we're giving them value, we're selling them profits. Because imagine every lead that comes through your. So I couldn't go more further because I do not want you to actually see, some kind of confidential messages that were not meant to be shown here. Okay, so moving forward, I want to actually make you notice something. At the end of the day, playing phone tag with unqualified inquiries is costing your principal brokers millions of dollars in lost execution time. So if you are open to seeing how we can plug this Leek into your existing CRM, just shoot me a quick message, on my WhatsApp. I've left my WhatsApp contact below in the description, and also my Instagram, where you can actually reach out to me and connect with me also on LinkedIn. Or if you want to, reach out to me on Snap, I'm actually there helping you. So let me know what you think. I also want you to comment the word flow in the comment section. I'll read the message and I'll reply to you. Okay. So every brokerage has a different protocol and a different zoning requirement. So if you are to see how or what a customized AI infrastructure would look like for your specific listing, like I told you again, flow. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks, guys, for watching.